So welcome back to our second part of the video. I told you, so welcome back. So in this video we are going to include the tracking code, like for the shipping express delivery services to start tracking goods. You get me? So once there is goods to track, so the person can use the track code. So once the person inside the track code can be able to give direction and location of the goods. Do you get me? So this is the second phase because we already built the shipping template. So another one is to include the functionalities, things that will make it to be dynamic and unique. So it will not only be a static website that will keep come and check your distance. So it will be dynamic and unique. So you can check do this thing. You can track your goods from the website as well. So if you're running a shipping delivery courier agency, if you're running really one, so this is the practical step of what we're going to do. So once you have your website already, so the second phase of it is to include the tracking code. Do you get me? So once you ship the goods, once you deploy the goods, so the goods can be able to carry the name of the person that is shipping the goods, which is your company name, and the direction, the location of where the goods and the date is going to deliver with a receipt. Do you get me? So these are what we're going to implement now. Just follow me as I'm about to dive in. So first of all, before I move on, so I need to check this. I need to get the logo of this express delivery. Let me know if there is express delivery logo on Google. So let me get the logo. So it will be useful to us. It will be very useful to us because we are going to use it. So I'll be rushing this video. I'll rush this video. I'll rush it very well. So we can use any logo from this place. Do you get me? So we don't have any. Okay, we have this one. So I'm trying to download the logo because we're going to use it. So I don't know. Okay, let me check this one. So we can use this one. Let's use this one. So mind you are going to design the logo you are going to use for your for your business. So you are going to get the logo. So let me dive in so you can be able to implement the tracking code aspect of it. So this is our dashboard. So what we are going to do, we are going to install a WordPress. So we are going to install a plugin, no WordPress again. Don't mind me. So I've been using this since morning. So we are going to install a plugin. Do you get me? So and this plugin we are going to install is YP Cargo. Do you get me? So what YP Cargo do? So YP Cargo is a WordPress plugin that you can use to start tracking your listing, to implement tracking, shipping and tracking in your website. So you have different WordPress plugin that you can use, but I want to use YP Cargo because I've been using YP Cargo for a very long time, and I believe their YP listing track and trace is very unique, and their management system is very okay. So you can see it equally have roughly 10,000 plugs, more than 10,000 plugs download on YP Cargo. So let me install YP Cargo. So these are the next thing we're going to use. I don't know why it's happening to let's talk again. So we have installed YP Cargo Tricks plugin. So let me activate it. So this is a continuation of the other video we did before. So the first video we did is how to use the AI. So the practical step to use the AI to design the website and build the website for you. Do you get me? So we already have the website and the template is very beautiful. So the next step we are doing now is to implement the tracking aspect of it so that you can be able to see how it works. So I will show everything practical now without wasting much of your time. So first of all, we have to add another plugin. So and that plugin is YP Cargo. Do you get me? So once you add YP Cargo, you have to install. After install, you have to activate. So I have a activated YP plugin. So the next step now is to set the YP plugin so that it can be able to start functioning, to include every parameters, everything they lead on the YP plugin. So first of all, I'll click on general setting. So this is the general section. So the type of shipment we are going to do, shipment mode, should add shipping locations. So the locations we are going to ship. So add shipping center. So this is the DHL, UPS, FedEx. So let me ask the name. Let me add the this is our shipping address. So let me add it as part of the shipment center. You get, because we are not using all these DHL, UPS, but these are just practical steps. You get me? So let me just add our own. So these are payment and shipment payment mode, cash, check. So back, so you can let me include crypto as mode of the payment. So let me also include cryptocurrency as mode of payment. If you can, so here you need to upload the shipment logo. So that is why I downloaded logo during that time. So I really see the reason why I have to download logo. So because you need to include the shipment logo in what we are doing, and this is the logo I download. So this is logo we are going to include. So we have included the shipment logo. Select the tracking page. So this is the tracking. You see, you select the tracking page. So let me just be very fast about this. So this is the how to set the shipment number, how you want your shipment address to be. Do you get me? So let me use abbreviation. Do you get me? X. Let me just use X. That is. So let me just use X as our first the prefix we are going to use for our shipment number. And how many numbers you want it to be? Is it 10, 12 or 13, depending on how long you want it to be. So let it be 8. You get me? So you can select the color based tags. So you can select admin rows to update shipping. Who are those people that can be able to update your shipping address? So this is cargo client, this is YP cargo agent. So if you have different agents, those are working for you, you can allow them to start updating the shipping address. If you as an admin, only you can do it. If you have a shipping web, if you have an employee that you employ in your company, you can allow the person to be updating it. But I'm leaving it at administrative because this is just a sample. So I have to click save change. So you know about this thing. This place is where to add shipment status. The status you want it to be pending, pick up, on hold, out of delivery, transit, a route. So how you want it to be at the airport, you can just put comma and include anything you want to include. After include, if you want to put include another one, you add comma. Just follow the simple steps. It's very easy. So let me just font size. Let me use 12. Let me use font size 12. So we have do this. This is our first setting. So let me check the multi-package setting. So this one, you can still set on this one. So these are types of piece type selection. So these are types of product that you can choose. Palette, carton, crate, loose, order. So you can choose anything how you want it to be. So this is, you can choose kg and everything selling. So this is the unit side. So here now is map. If you're making use of map, you can use map and set it, but we are not including map for now. You get me? So because if you want to make use of map so that it will be giving you direct location on the place the goods are, so this is where to implement it, but you have to get this API. Do you get me? So you have to get this API. So we're going to make use this API to do it. Maybe my next video I'll teach you how to implement that. So this is client email address, where to set the email address. How do you want the email address to be sending to client? So this is where to set it perfectly. So these are just the code and the level. So these are the, so how do you want to set it? So I want the client to get notification in any of the activities that is going on. So if it is pending, if you update it to the pending, client should get notification. If it's out of delivery, if it is on transit, client should get notification. If it is on hold, client should get notification that his goods is on hold, and this is the reason why his goods is on hold. So the domain email. So I created an email. During that time you're making it. So this is the email I created. So this is the email I created. Mail to. So which person are you sending this mail to? If you go back to this place, you are sending it to the receiver. So the receiver can be able to get notification of everything that is happening. So you are married to the receiver, is one that will be in charge. So this is how. Okay, so you have to include the receiver name here. The same thing you included the other place. Include it here, so it will take the text of the receiver and send to this. No receiver email, that should be receiver name, sorry. So okay, you have to make use of receiver name. So no receiver email address. So I make use of receiver. So make use of receiver name. So you can make some addition here. So this is where the message that you are sending out will be going. So this is tracking code. So you can make use of addition. So you can use my next video I will tell you how to use that is AI, large language model, to redesign this place to be very good for you. Do you get me? So because I know you need everything, that will be very easy. We are going to roll it in. So first of all, so this is just the steps to set the client side. So but I will include the email form of it. Do you get me? So I include because you can't send mail, because I did not include any email plugin here that will be sending our message out. Do you get me? So I haven't included any email plugin, and I'll be sending out. Once I include this, once you perform everything, it will be very fast. So I'll be rushing this video. Wow, this is 14 minutes. So let this video not reach 30 minutes again. So let this video not reach 30 minutes again. So first of all, another thing we're going to do now is for us to add shipping. Do you get something? So let us add a product that we are going to ship out and the details. So that is the next thing we are going to do now. So here now, so I click on all shipments. We don't have any shipping yet. So let me click on adding new shipment. So we can be able to fill the form and submit and generate a tracking code, so you can see it. So as it is going on, so let me go to my So as it is going on, so let me go to my menus. Let me go to my menus and add something. So I confirm. So this is the shipment area. So we're adding a shipment. We're adding. So I don't have any agent yet. but no problem. Let's continue. So this is the new add a new shipment. So this is our tracking code. Do you get this? I already generated a tracking code for us. So let us add the next thing. The goods were the name of the shipper details and receiver details. So let me just use shipper address as James John. So phone number. So this is an example. I'm adding. So I just add phone number. So we're just doing an example. So the receiver address, let me just add my name on the receiver address. Do you get me? So I add the location of the, let me say location, let me add USA. So and add the email address of the shipper. So this is the shipper details. So this is receiver details. So the person that is shipping. So this is the details that is added. So the receiver, this is receiver details. You include receiver email address. So type of shipment we select, is it a freight, international shipping, truckload. So depending on what, so weight of the goods you select. So package, how many package the goods is. So the weight is in kg. I add, and the weight of the goods 7 kg. Package is 3. So courier, so which courier is used, which airline are you using. You can just write the courier. So you can browse all these things online. Do you get me? And see the courier and see the one we are going to use. So product, which product is it? Do you get me? So include the product. Let me just include laptop. These are just examples. So quality, include. So you just find an payment mode. That one actually, let me select cryptocurrency. Total freight. So these are just samples. Carrier. So just I'm including express delivery service, which is your company. The number, so you can formulate, and depending on what your departure time. So include which country is it originating. It is originating from Nigeria. So destination, which place is it going? It's going to USA. Do you get me? These are just examples that I'm setting, so you can be able to see it. Pick up date, which are they going to pick it up. You select pick up time. You select expected to deliver, which day is it going to deliver. You get me? You select. So you have to comment here. You get me? So you make some comments. Just what we are going to do here. So you can write some comment. I'll just give you an example. So the package quality, is it 5? Type, is it pallet, carton, which product, which is inside carton. Description, you can make some description here. The length of the goods, the carton you're sending, you can write it here. So the width and the height as well, you can equally enter it. So the last one is the next thing, the weight of it. You can equally enter the weight. Do you get me? So these are the next things. So you can add them. You can then add package. So these are the basic things. So it will calculate this 21 kg of everything. So coming back to this place, do you get me? So location. So which location is the goods now? Where are you moving? Do you get me? So I'm moving in Nigeria. Which location? Enugu, Nigeria is the goods money, depending on the country you want to ship from and the country it is going. So if you are in USA, your location should be in USA. If you're in China, your location should be in China. So depending on what you're using it for. Do you get me? So but for this, the location, let me say Enugu, Nigeria. Let me say Enugu, Nigeria. Do you get me? So that is location. So is it on transit, air route? Do you get me? So pending, pick up. So you select the type. Let me say in Enugu, Nigeria, that is a route where we're routing from Akale, Ibiam. So you can put some remarks you want. Do you get me? So after all this thing, assuming that I collected my email or the email sending server on the file, click on publish, it will send message. Do you get me? To send an email message to the shipper, to the receiver email address that your goods are being shipped. Do you get me? So the person will get this thing, the shipping tracking code, and use it. So you can select the mode it is landing, C, A freight. So using A. So let me click on publish. So I'm publishing. So after all this, you click on publish. Do you get me? So we have published a let me copy this one. So we have published this thing we have published our first tracking this thing code. So our first tracking, so we have published it already. So that is it for now. So the next thing, so this menu, I say that I need to add. Do you get me? So I need to include this tracking on the menu so that it will be very easy for us. So I have included it because for me to go back and start editing, it will be very long. So let me include the tracking on the menu. So it will be, I will move directly and click on it and track it. So that is it for now. So have you see? So so on this place, this is where to print your invoice or your receipt. So if you click on invoice, it will generate you an invoice. Do you get me? So this is the invoice that is generated you. So you can equally send this invoice to the person that you're working with. Do you get me? To the shipper, to the complaint. As you are shipper, you can equally send it to the receiver. Do you get me? So receiver can be able to see the process. So for this is track. So this is so everything is automatic. Do you get me? So coming back, so this is the Webby. If you click on Webby, it will bring you different receipt for each person, So this is the receipt itself. So you see, so this one contains more information than the other one. So you can screenshot this. And get pictures of this and send to the person that uses so career. So this is more advanced than the other. So the other one is just normal receipt. So this one you can equally use this as well, depending on what you're using it for. So let me go back to the website itself. Let me visit the website. So this is our shipping listing. This is our shipping website. So you know the other one, which one did I? This one now. We have our tracking code. So if you click on our shipping, so this is our tracking code. I have copied this tracking code. Do you get me? So I have copied this tracking code. So this is a tracking code we are going to send to your clients or the customer that is you're shipping your goods to. Do you get me? So once you click here, see the tracking code that I just included from the other side. I'll teach you the steps of adding this one. So it's very easy. So I'm just trying to rush this video. So if you click on track, so this is the tracking page. Do you get me? So you have to include the tracking ID and click on track results. So we have started tracking the results. So this is our I'll change no problem, this one is not issue. I'll change the color. Is the color combination that makes it not to look bright, but that one is not the problem. So I will edit the color. You get me? So I will edit the color very well. So this is the tracking. I will create another tracking page. So without making use of this color, I will create a new tracking page without making use of this color. Do you get me? So this is the tracking page. So this is tracking form of it. So if you look very well, you can see. So this is our tracking listing. So this is it. So this is the tracking details. If you look very well, you see the shipper details. You see everything. You see the status of the goods and route. Have you seen the status of the goods? So the details of the goods and everything. So this will be very easy. So if you want to print, if you click on print, so the person can equally print the entire information that is on the tracking. So you can equally screenshot this or download it as PDF. It keep previewing. Okay, so you can equally screenshot this or download it as PDF. So this is the tracking listing, details of what we have doing since. So this thing now you're seeing here is the same thing that is on this one that is not bright. You get me? Two of them are the same. So that is it. So this is how we create a new page that I will implement this on, instead of using this colored background that makes it not to, you can hardly see what is here. Do you get me? But if you look closely very well, you will see that the details of every tracking is there. So and this is the shipping status of the goods, which is on en route mode. So that is it. So the entire website is ready the entire website is functioning very well. So this is the entire website. You can visit it and see how beautiful and nice the website is. I don't know this color I choose without including white. I don't know the problem on the color. The color I choose is not like this before. I don't know what really happened with the color. It's not like this before. Well, that one is not issue, sir. That one is not a problem. I'll change the color without wasting time. So that one is no issue. So my own is for you to understand the practical steps and example how you will be able to achieve this, building the templates, including the tracking code. So as far as you understand this so perfectly. So before I close this part of the video, so if you like this video, if you have been enjoying what we have been doing here, so you are free to click on the like button so you can share it to your family and friends. As well, you can follow us on TikTok, Nocode AI Lab. You can follow us on X, which is formerly Twitter, Nocode AI Lab. You can equally follow us on. You can equally subscribe on our YouTube channel, Nocode AI Lab. So my Facebook name is Uchenna Onyeji. You can equally follow us on Facebook so that once I drop any video using low-code tools to build and develop any website or Android application or iOS or Windows, so you can easily get the video and watch and implement it on your own without wasting time. So if you are a computer science student, you can equally join us on this place. So that is it for now. So let me just go back and change the color of this text or the background, you get me, so that it will be very big. Okay, all right, take care.